गोय क्रिकेट संघटनेच्या कारभारान व्हडलो घोटाळो जाल्ल्याचो आरोप आरटीआय कार्यकर्तो आयरिश रॉड्रिग्सान सांगला. दारगळचो नियोजित 350 कोटीचो स्टेडियम म्हणल्यार कोट्यांनी रुपयांचो घोटाळो आशिल्ल्याचे आयरिश म्हणटा. ह्या प्रकल्पाची चौकशी करपाची मागणी तांणी केल्या. खेळा मंत्री गोविंद गावडेन GCAचेर प्रशासक नेमचो अशी सुचोवणी तांणी केल्या. तशेंच GCAच्या पुराय कारभाराची एकदा चौकशी करची अशें तांणी म्हटलां. GCAचे आदले सचीव वादग्रस्त थारिल्ले. भारतीय क्रिकेट नियामक मंडळ आनी न्यायाधीश लोढा समितीच्यो शिफारसी फाट्यार मारून GCAचो जाय तसो वेव्हार चालू आशिल्ल्याचे आयरिशान म्हटलां.
Evidence of rampant corruption and nepotism at the Goa Cricket Association has come to light. There are gross malpractices going on in total contravention of law at the Goa Cricket Association. The secretary of the association, Mr. Vipul Phadke, who happens to be the son of the earlier very controversial General Secretary Vinod Phadke, is accused of total malpractices in the working of the Goa Cricket Association. In fact, there is total violation of the Justice Lodha Committee recommendations which were made for transparency and accountability in the working of the cricket bodies. All those rules are not being adhered to. Vipul Phadke is functioning as General Secretary in total violation of the BCCI rules also.